that right there. Look how thick those are. Look at them over here. Look at these. See how thick that is? That goes for tens of miles. That goes for 30 miles. This one, look how wide that is. There's another one now intersecting this one. There's this line right here. You see this line? This one right here? Look how wide that is. Look how far those go. See? For our dumber audience, they start out thin. That's where it most recently was. And this is where it was to start. And so it's wider. It spreads out, you see? For the dumber people watching, it spreads out like a blanket, you see? That's not steam. And then now they're crisscrossing, now they're covering, they're doing a lattice pattern. There's more up there, do you see it? And there's more all the way down there. I don't know if you can see over that, the peak of that roof. There's lines maybe 30 miles away, 20 miles away. That might be only 20 miles away. But look, they're covering the entire Portland area, the suburbs and surrounding. That actually right there, that may not be sprayer. Because that doesn't even look like it. Look, case in point, look what that line is doing. See, look at that line. That's not doing anything. That's just dissipating. That doesn't go as far, you see? There's no line. Look at my finger. There's no line. There's no line beyond there. Look, there's nothing else there. See? It's not staying. That's an actual jetliner. This is something different. Do you see? There's two lines, you see? And there's more. There's more over there. There's more there. They wisp, they spread out, and they cover and blanket the area. This is your government. They're spraying on you, folks.